I just want to tell you that Movit in Cebu is focused on three things. Focus on three things. The first is we want to professionalize the habal-habal sector. The second one is we want to empower our riders, and provide viable livelihood opportunities. And the third one is we want to elevate the commuting experience of our passengers. Now let's talk more about empowering, professionalizing our habal-habal riders. So, as we all know, ang habal-habal ko ay accepted na. Maraming gumagamit ng habal-habal. It's about time. It's about time that we professionalize it. We don't want to take their earnings away from them, but we want to help them more to be able to provide better service to our community public. With Movit, we provide trainings, skills assessment. We want them to be safe. We want their passengers to be safe. And there's no better way to do it than with Movit. Second is, we want to provide viable livelihood opportunities to our riders and our aspiring riders. We want to let you know that amongst the players in the technical working group, si Movit po ang merong pinakamababang commission rate, number one. We provide insurance to our riders. And not only that, we also think about not only our riders, but also their families. So aside from giving our riders incentives, para may konting pamadyak, alam niyo yun, may konting extra, to better the service, we give opportunities to their families. We have programs and initiatives directed to their wives, to their children, para makatulong din po sila sa kanilang mga ama ng tahanan na nagtatrabaho talaga. So, yung po yung mga plano ni Movit, not only for professionalizing habal-habal, and not only for our habal-habal riders, but also for our aspiring and current Movit riders. And the third one is, we want to make sure that our passengers are safe. Safety is of paramount importance to Movit. And later, my colleague here will show you the upgraded app that focuses on safety. So aside from our rigorous safety training, we also provide insurance, not only for riders, but also for our passengers. We do understand, hindi lang naman po sa Cebu, kahit saan pang siguro ng Pilipinas, yung traffic, sobrang traffic. And what better way to move than to use motorcycle taxi? And Movit is here not only to provide safe and convenient transportation, but we also want to work closely with other stakeholders, with the local government, in bringing this to reality. Kaya naman po kami nagagalak sa Movit na ang pakikipagtulungan po namin sa local government ng Cebu, especially with our councilor Garganera here, with Kong PJ, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And we do appreciate that we share the same passion and same goal of providing livelihood to our state, of providing livelihood to our constituents. Alam po namin na yun din po ang gusto niyo ma-achieve. We want to help our habal-habal drivers out there to be professional and to be safe. Maraming salamat.